Like Abdi, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome to my channel. Now, I was fishing on the beach the other day and I was looking at bait out of the chest freezer in the shade, and among all the mackerel and squid and that, I found this. A lovely bass. So I thought to myself, well, I'll take it out of the freezer, thaw it out, and I'll have it for my supper in morgensnacht. Well, this is the morgensnacht now, so I'm just making a quick video of me cooking this bass for my supper. I just thought I'd let you see. I've got Floss here, keeping my company, but she's just annoying me. Because she keeps, she's got fine fishy hands. She keeps finding and carrying on. Floss, no. Be what? Right, you wouldn't need Floss. You give me a piece of it, you. Right, anyway. Back to the bass. I hope you can see alright. It's not a great licht here. Right. You get a pair of shears and cut off this. Spiky bits. Now it's shut off. Just chop this enough and off while we're at it. En we'll chop this in now. Now it's simple enough to do that. The next thing we're going to do is give him a scrape. Scrape all the scales off. There's big scales in this fish. So you just take a back end of the knife and push down hard. Scrape like that. And they come off near bother. Hoping you see us on the camera. Now, see that scales? Just scrape up the side of the fish, back to front, with a blunt end of your knife. And they come off near bother. Now, that's one side done. Done another. And it's the same again with the other side. Just hold your fish. Now watch out, because there is sharp bitties. Sometimes you get a sharp bitty here, ken. I'm not feeling it today. We're not in. But same procedure. Now, if there's any chefs out here, look at what just now. Now that's it. Give a fish a wash. Now, the next thing we're going to do is dry the fish as best we can with kitchen roll. I don't know if I've got good enough light in for you to see this fish. I just wonder if I'll use my wee spotlight that I take to the beach. That's the spotlight thingy. I'll try and get this rigged up. See if it makes things a bit clearer. Oh man, what a difference. Right, that's a good bit better. And you're maybe seeing better, but I can't see it now. It's blinding me. Right, dry the fish. Now, that's my last bit of kitchen roll, so that'll hit the D. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is make 2 or 3 slices being the sides of the fish. Now, I haven't got a right dish to fit this fish, you know, so I'm just using this big Pyrex dish, and it's going to be sticking up and doing like that, but it's half good. I have a dish to put it in after it's cooked, so it'll look presentable after, hopefully. So that's what you, but just now it'll hit again in this. Right, as you can see, the fish is a wee bit bigger, but it'll hit a D, it's half good, and I'm not a chef, just cooking for ourselves, so that'll do us fine. Now, I made all that slices. Look at that bony meat, beautiful meat in here. I made all that slices in the sides for putting all the condiments in the fish and rubbing it in. I've got 2 or 3 jarries here, or shakers, or whatever you want to call them. And I'm just going to put in a mixture of all different stuff. Right, I've got the sea salt. That can go on. I kind of hate to hold it up. It's not good to do that. Holding it up and doing that at the same time. How does chefs do that? How do they manage to keep that gaps open and put your salt in at the same time? There's some coming out like that. Okay. Right. Salt this side. And we'll put some in here now for good luck. Next thing I'm going to put on is garlic granules. We'll chuck a dab of them on. It's maybe too much. We'll chuck a batch of it on. Oh my, that's maybe too much. Right, that's super good. Parsley, we'll put some parsley on. What are you doing? Forgot the garlic inside. Oh. Parsley. What about some chives? We'll put some chives on in there. Why not? I like chives. This is getting nothing, this fish. And for that with a bit of kick. Crushed chilies, we'll put some crushed chilies on in there, why not? Get a bit of kick. inside the fashion. Him cooking at his best. Now to chop up some lemons. Now again, I'm no chef. I'm just slicing this the way I slice it. Watching my fingers, when I cut my fingers. Now I'm going to put 12 lemons in because it gives it a good bit of flavour. Right, we've got our lemons. And what we're going to do with them is we're going to put them inside the fish, just like that. And we'll put a couple round about them and why not. And a juice in over the lemons. Give my hands a dicht. Meanwhile, Floss is playing with Scurry. Here's Skipper, look. Making an appearance. What's your scurry, Floss? What's your scurry? Look at it. What's your scurry? Pick it up. What's it here, look? Floss. What's your scurry here, look? Here, brood. Here, scurry. Now, check that out. How good is that? It fairly looks apart anyway. Right, I've in the oven on all this time at 180. Now you're supposed to put some olive oil on it, but I haven't got olive oil, so I'm just using vegetable oil. This is a poor man's olive oil. So I'll put a wee squish of that. If I can get the dribble on. We dribble of that. And my secret ingredient. Some fruity cider, mixed fruit cider. Now, posh folk would put on wine, some kind of wine. I'm not a wine drinker. I like whiskey actually, but I'm partial to cider and all. So this serves 12 purposes. I put some in the fish and then I can finish it going off. Right, we'll get the cider on that. Oh man, look at that. Lovely jubbly, look at that cider just foaming away. Oh, lovely smell and all. Now check that out. Lovely jubbly. Right, I'll get that down. Now I've set that for 25 minutes. Hope it's not too much. But I'll check it now and again anyway. You see, I like things recht cooked. But all you chefs out there, if you're watching this, turn away. Or you can give me some constructive comments and tell me the recht way to do it. But in the meantime, this is the way it's going to be done. I hope it turns out alright. Well, now it's a waiting game. Or maybe I want to watch some fishing videos while I'm waiting. Now to try and get do it here in one piece. Put the juices back on. Oh man, just look at that. Hope you can see it in the camera. Absolutely beautiful. You'd pay a fortune for that in a restaurant. Beautiful boss. Now I'm just going to let it settle a wee minute, or 5 minutes, before I open it up and start eating and get a taste of it. But the smell, oh man, it just gets ruin your heart, like a hairy worm. Well, what can I say? You'd think I'd bought that for a posh restaurant. So Gordon Ramsay ate your hair to it. I hope he's not watching. You'll be cursing and swearing at me. Absolutely spot on. Last few minutes I tuned the oven up a bit higher. The crispy skin up a bit. Beautiful. Okay, that's it for now. Take care of die and I'll catch you later.